Küçük Ayşe ve kayıp yavru kedi. Little Ayşe and the lost kitten. Küçük Ayşe, Little Ayşe ve and kayıp means lost. Yavru kedi means kitten. Yavru, we say to the small animals or the kids young age, very small. So instead of saying the small cat, we say kitten, right? The words that pass in the story, suluyordu, which means was watering. Sulmak and uyuyor, we said this. We know always if you're watching the Turkish stories I am posting, it means the şimdiki zaman, which is the present continuous tense, do is the past. So was watering. Duydu, heard, baktı. She or he looked, depending, or it looked also, you can say he, she, it, the same. Bakmak, to look, and t is the past, and k because we have k, we put t as the past. That's it. Göremedi, couldn't see. So, emedi, couldn't. The e and the me means cannot. D is the past. Meowliyor means the sound of the cat meows. How do we say it in English? So, you know it, of course. Merak etti means wondered. He wondered or she wondered, depending on who they are mentioning in the story. We cannot know, but merak etmek means to wonder. Merak etti, he wondered or she wondered in the past. T. Gördü, saw. Kucakladı, hugged. From kucaklamak to hug. The is the past. Verdi, gave. Yazıyordu, was writing. So from yazmak to write, and we know the rest. Aradı, called, from aramak. Now aramak has two meanings: either to call someone on the phone, aramak, or to search, like you're searching on, let's say, about a certain word. That's aramak. Now how do we know which while reading? How do we know if it means to call or to research? Depending on the meaning of the sentence, we know what do they mean. The story. Küçük Ayşe bahçedeki çiçekleri suluyordu. Little Ayşe was watering the flowers in the garden. So little Ayşe was watering what? The flowers, we have plural, where those which are in the garden, but we don't say this, translate this way, we don't say those who are in the garden or which are in the garden. I'm explaining the key, what does it mean. Little Ayşe was watering the flowers in the garden. Bir miyavlama sesi duydu. She heard a meow. So the sound of the cat, as we said before. Sesi, the sound. Duydu, heard. Bir miyavlama, the meows of the cat. How do you say it? I think. Etrafına baktı ama hiçbir şey göremedi. She looked around but saw nothing. Couldn't see anything. So, etrafına baktı. She looked around but couldn't see hiçbir şey, anything. Kim miyavlıyor diye merak etti. Who is meowing? She wondered. So she's wondering who is what. Kim means who is meowing. Okay. Sesi tekrar takip etti ve bir ağacın altında titreyen, tüyleri ıslak bir yavru kedi gördü. She followed the sound again and saw a shivering wet kitten under a tree. So, sesi tekrar takip etti. Takip etmek, to follow. She followed the sound again and. Ve means and. And what? We go to the verb. So, a titreyen means shivering. The one who is shivering, we're talking about the cat. Shivering. Tüyleri ıslak. Tüyleri, the fur on the, what do you call it? The fur, yes, on the cat. But what ıslak means wet. Bir yavru kedi, as we said, a kitten, under, altında. Under what? A tree. Now, how do we translate it? She followed the sound again and saw a shivering, wet kitten under a tree. Aa, zavallı diye düşündü ve yavru kediyi kucakladı. Oh, poor thing, thought Ayşe, and picked up the kitten, or hugged the kitten. Oh, poor thing diye düşündü, she thought, ve and yavru kediyi kucakladı and hugged the kitten. Yavru kedi, which is the kitten, kucakladı. We said it in the first slide. Yavru kediyi evine götürdü ve sıcak bir havlu ile kuruladı. She took the kitten home and dried it with a warm towel. Yavru kediyi, kitten, evine, to her house. Ev means house. Here, means to. Evine, we're talking about the house of Ayşe. Evine, to her house, götürdü, she took. So she took the kitten to her house and dried up. We say and dried. Who? The cat, of course, the kitten. She dried it with a warm or a hot towel. So sıcak means hot, of course it will be warm. Sonra biraz süt verdi. Later she gave it some milk. So sonra means later. Biraz, a little bit. Süt means milk, verdi, she gave. Yavru kedi sütü içerken Ayşe üzerinde bir tasma olduğunu fark etti. As the kitten drank the milk, Ayşe noticed a color on it. So, yavru kedi, kitten, sütü means the milk. İçerken, as, when, this is the can. İçmek means to drink. is the geniş zaman. İçerken, while or as the kitten was drinking the milk, Ayşe üzerinde, üzerinde bir tasma olduğunu fark etti. Ayşe, we go to the verb, noticed that there was what tasma. Tasma means color. The place where they write the name of the animal. Üzerinde, on it. Üzerinde means on it or above it. So, as the kitten drank the milk, Ayşe noticed a color on it. Tasmada bir telefon numarası yazıyordu. There was a phone number written on the collar. Tasmada on the collar bir telefon numarası, a phone number yazıyordu. There was yazıyordu was written. So when you translate, there was a phone number written on the collar. Ayşe annesiyle birlikte numarayı aradı. Ayşe called the number with her mother. So Ayşe called the number. Birlikte, together means together with who? With her. You see here represents her mother. Telefonu açan kadın kayıp yavru kedisini çok özlediğini söyledi. The woman who answered said she missed her lost kitten very much. So telefonu açan kadın, the woman that opened the phone. But when we translate, we say the one that answered, right? We don't say the woman that opened the phone. No, it means the woman who answered. Kayıp yavru kedisini çok özlediğini söyledi. Said that she missed a lot her, see here, her kitten, kayıp means lost. So we say her lost kitten. So it will be the woman who answered the phone said she missed a lot her lost kitten. Ayşe hemen yavru kediyi kadına götürdü. Ayşe immediately took the kitten to the woman. So Ayşe hemen immediately yavru kediyi, we know now the kitten, kadına to the woman, götürdü, took. So Ayşe immediately took the kitten to the woman. Here kadın means woman, kadına to the woman. Kadın Ayşe'ye çok teşekkür etti ve onu öptü. The woman thanked Ayşe very much and kissed her. So the woman thanked Ayşe a lot, çok, and kissed her. Ayşe yavru kediyi sahibine kavuşturduğunu için çok mutluydu. Ayşe was very happy to reunite the kitten with its owner. So Ayşe was very happy. Mutlu means happy. Mutluydu, was very happy. Was happy. Çok means very. So Ayşe was very happy. Why? For reuniting. Kavuşturmak means to reunite. Yes. For reuniting the kitten with her what owner? Sahib means owner, sahibine, to her owner or to its owner, but we don't translate. That's why we say Ayşe was very happy to reunite the kitten with its owner. The translation of the story in English is here, and please share this story with those who are learning Turkish like you.